This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable and manage the camera center point on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, locate the shooting parameters icon that you will find below the shutter or rec button, and tap on it. Now select the search section at the top. Scroll down, look for the center point, and here you can disable it by selecting the off option or change its appearance or icon that it uses, so standard center point, cross, narrow cross, and so on. You can also change its color, and that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.